Well, hello everyone, and welcome again to Hooked on Carnival. As in previous tutorials, we start out with the main home page for Hooked on Carnival, and from there we can scroll down and we can see all the different options of the information that you can obtain from this particular website of ours. Okay, today we're going to go down here and just do something simple called Contact Us. Let's say you wanted to drop us a line. Okay, you would click on this down here, and you're going to end up with a sheet here, which is going to be the HOC contact form, and maybe you have some feedback, or maybe you have a question, or maybe there's something, an error in our database, and you want to let us know, or there's just anything that you might want the folks at Hooked on Carnival to understand and get the answers for you, answer your question, or whatever you're interested in finding out. Simple form, HOC contact form. All you need to do is fill it out, put your first name, last name. We need your email address and your phone number in order to contact you with any particular answer. If you have a picture of something that you might want to attach, let's say you found a piece and you're not sure what it is, and you can go down here, browse your files, and enter that picture, and that will also come to our site, and the experts at Hooked on Carnival will try to answer your questions. If you have a particular question about anything, maybe the picture that you put in your browse files up here, you put your specific question written out here, and of course, if you're not a robot, as most of things that you these days, if you want to send in a message to somebody, you would click there and then submit. Okay, and the folks at HOC will take a look at your question and answers and try to come up with answers, and take a look at any pictures you might have submitted and get back to you and hopefully answer your questions or solve the problem or whatever you might be having a concern with this website, and we look forward to communicating with you. So contact us. Please do. Any questions at all, we're willing to talk to you. Okay, and let's go back to the home page here and get back to the start, and you can see today we talked about contact us, drop us a line. Please do. Other than that, take care, have a good day, and happy collecting. Dr. Glass out.